Welcome back, Pokemon trainers. Guess where we're at? Taking a walk. Seems to be pretty clean over here though. That is what I want to see. Had the day off today, so I figured might as well make this fourth the best fourth I can and clean something up. But it's only been 4 days and I'm just curious. I'm curious to see everybody. This is the spot we just cleaned up last time. Right here by the water, one of my favorite places to throw rocks. Let's see here. Trash, liquor bottle, garbage. Man, what is wrong with people? There's something purple over there. Got something washed up. See, that's okay, because that's probably washed up from the river. Someone probably didn't litter that. I mean, they did at one point, but this is unacceptable. Unacceptable. Let's see how the ridge looks. Coming down sideways. Seems okay. This area stayed relatively clean. That makes me happy. All right. Looks like I'm gonna have to clean that area up, take 5 minutes, and we'll get on to something bigger. So I just walked around the whole water edge and kind of in between there. There's not much, but there is some. If you look there, look over there, there is some. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and let's clean it up. Trash, I mean almost half of a bag. All right, enough having fun. No more fun for me. Fun for you guys though. We got ourselves a clearance rack tin to open and an awesome Zapdos pin Steam Siege collection with all 3 of the same foils. Gotta like that. We'll save that one for later. Let's get right into this Mewtwo tin. See what rares we can't get out of here today. Almost looks like rain again today. It's been raining almost every day here in Colorado. Gotta love Colorado. You know what? I don't have my sleeves. I'll be right back. Sleeves acquired. All right. Let's get back into this tin. Mewtwo. See if I can't not drop it this time. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Look at that promo card. I love a good promo card. I don't know about you guys, but I sure do. Let's get that sleeved up. All right. It is windy today. I'm gonna lose stuff. I really don't want to. So I gotta make sure I put all my trash where it needs to go. Sorry it's a little bit longer. All right, we got 2 evolutions, Charizard Venusaur, Breakpoint, and a Fates Collide. We'll start with the Breakpoint, then the Fates, and then we'll save the evolutions for a little bit later. Here we go. We got 1, 2, is it 3? I think it's 3. I don't know anymore. We have a Delinquent, a Gabite, Reverse Valley. We're reversing this valley over here, turning it clean again, everybody. A Phantom, Slowpoke, Shinx, Spritzy. That's awesome. Awesome artwork on the Spritz. We got a Glameow joining us here down by the lake, the river. I keep calling it a lake. It's definitely a river. A reverse hollow Numel. Nice. For the rare, a Camprut. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. I love when you get their evolutions in the same pack. Oh man. All right, guys. We got ourselves a Fates Collide. What do we get? What do we get today? trash everywhere. Code cards running away. 1, 2, 3. Will we get that gold card? I hope so. We have a Loudred. That's not the rare, okay. Fairy Drop. Sincio. A Soleus. Snivy. Meowth. Gothicata. Jigglypuff. Awesome. Awesome art, just hanging out with the friends. You know, little get together for the 4th of July. Gonna watch the fireworks tonight. A Mr. Mime. Nice. He's walking through the sea. Look at that artwork. That is so cool. And for the rare, we got a Kabutops non-holographic. Nice, nice, nice. That Mr. Mime though, he is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I really hope you guys are enjoying your 4th of July. I know I sure am. Enjoying this beautiful Thursday. Looks like rain though. I hope it doesn't rain on my parade, because we got a lot more trash to pick up. This thing's only halfway. We're searching for another area. Yeah, I gotta carry it everywhere I go. Other people don't know how to use a trash receptacle, but I'm gonna keep looking for another buildup of trash, because I know there's some out here, and we'll see you there. Alrighty guys, I think I found our next spot over here by that waterfall area I was telling you about. There's a little bit of trash nestled in over here. Walking around. Trash bag, that's not mine. I'm gonna pick that up. You come over here to this awesome spot. I don't know how well you guys are able to hear me now, but you look over there, we're gonna do something about that. So much for a little bit of trash here, guys. There was a lot more than I was expecting, but come look with me. Come look with me. Look at this. So pretty now. And check this out. An Ekans evolved right into an Arbok right in front of my eyes. Look at that. Look at that. Make sure you guys be safe and watch out for crazy animals while you're out here cleaning. You never know what's gonna come out the leaves. Bite ya. But I think we've earned some more Pokemons. Here we have Evolutions. It's probably very, very hard to hear me. Sorry about that, guys. We'll start with the Venusaur. Nice. One of my favorite sets to open. See what Pokemon want to come join us today. Let's see, 3 to the front. Misty's Determination. Porygon. Devolution Spray. Steel Energy. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Growlithe. Ghastly. Charmander. Rattata. And a reverse holo Arcanine. Look at that beauty. Nice. Just getting a sip out of the water. And for the rare, a non-holographic Mewtwo. Nice, I'll take that Arcanine any day though. That's awesome. Alright, now we got a Charizard's pack. We gonna get that Charizard in here? Does he want to join us on our cleaning adventure? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 to the front. A De-Evolution Spray. A Pokédex. Porygon. Diglett. Rattata. Charmander. Psychic Energy. Pikachu. And a Growlithe reverse? You gotta be kidding me. What? And a Doug Trio? You got it. Hold on. Where's my card? Check it out. That is a match that makes me smile. Man, what a great pull for cleaning up some trash today. Yeah. Don't worry, you guys. I didn't forget about cleaning around this tree like I said. Always do what you say you're gonna do. Be the person you're supposed to be. But look how much better that is. Oh man, there was trash all up in here too. Got that all out. Love cleaning up an area that deserves it. Look at this area. You don't think this area deserves to be clean? For all of our Pokemon in their natural habitat? But I got a big bag of trash I need to lug. Let's go find us another spot to clean. I think I found it. Look it down in there. Look at all that. Look at all that. We're gonna clean that up. Quarter bag of trash. Look at that garbage. Just in this little tiny area right by the bridge. You gotta be joking. You have to be joking, people. Alrighty, it's time to open some Pokemon cards. We get this awesome Zapdos pin as well to add on to our hat. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I better not drop anything down there, I swear to goodness. All right. Hey, look, they even put a backer on the pen. That's kind of cool. All right, don't drop anything. Look at that. We got one pack sitting up top here. Looks like that's the pack we get to open. Steam Siege coming in, live and direct. Let's see here. Pocket the trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. We got a Fletchlander, Tangle-Growth, Gravidor Spirit Link, Tangela, a Rufflet, Oshawott, Pinward, Ponyta, Ambiapom, and for the rare, a Bastiodon. Ambiapom was reversed. I didn't even notice that. Couldn't even tell in the camera. Alrighty, alrighty. Now let's see where we're gonna put this hat pin. If I can get it out. There we go. There we go, guys. Let's see here. Zapdos. Gotta go somewhere special. Maybe up top. Maybe up top there in front. Yeah, I like it. But we still got a little bit of time. Let's go over down that way. I don't know if you guys, how well I'm doing this. Very hard being your own cameraman. But let's go down that way and see what we can't find. Look how pretty this area looks. So we made it down here by the bridge. Nice and pretty. And look at all this. Garbage all tucked in through there, all in through here, all down by the side up there, and then all over there by that sign. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna clean it up. A full bag of trash. Number 2. It's crazy how much trash you can find when you just look for some trash. It's phenomenal, but look at how awesome awesome we did for our Pokepals. Look at this. Look at this. See some Butterfrees flying around? Nice, nice, nice. Looks like we got some Pokemon cards to open. Our final 2 packs of Steam Siege. We gotta get something good in these. Haven't pulled anything good all day. Let's see here, we'll get right into the first pack. See what Pokemon want to join us today. Oh, that's a perfect card, look at that. Just sitting in the bushes just like we are. Oh, 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 oh. 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got ourselves a Skip Bloom, Ninja Boy, Azumarill, another shiny, a Fletchling, Clauncher, Nidoran. Look at that artwork. What? That is such cool artwork. Wow. A Chimchar, a Nose Pass for the reverse. What? We got a Pyroar break. That is awesome. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And for the rare card, we got an Armadillo non-holographic. Look at that Pyroar break. That is an awesome, awesome card. Kaiser Tackle. All right, all right. We got one more pack of Steam Siege to get into. Last pack. Maybe we can get some last pack magic on this. 1, 2, 3. And we got a Flaffy. Focus. There we go. Flaffy. A Monferno. Anorith. That's cool artwork though. A Rufflet. Just running. Chimchar. You just broke something. Stop taking all the gears, man. A Dino. A Tangela. A Krognak. For the reverse, we got a Hoopa rare reverse with awesome, awesome artwork, guys. Check that out. Oh man, and for the rare, oh, I see something. I see something. Focus. It's not gonna focus. Leave a like right now for the hype in this pack. And for our rare card, we got ourselves a Steelix EX. Nice. Look at that beautiful card, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Focus. There we go. Beautiful pulls, beautiful pulls. And for the recap, we got ourselves an Ambipom reverse holographic, a Growlithe reverse holographic, with his evolution Arcanine reverse holographic. We got a Hoopa reverse holographic rare, 2 rares reverse. An awesome, awesome Pyroar break card. And star of the show, a Steelix EX for the win. Thanks you guys for coming and joining me to help clean up today. It's really fun making this environment a cleaner place for our Pokemon. But I have a barbecue to get to. It's the 4th of July. Fireworks happen tonight. Make sure all of you guys be safe out there and enjoy your fireworks show. And until next time, remember to always stay positive and positive things will happen.